my student, my students, hey, English guys. Hi, my students, my fellow subscribers, my YouTubers, my learners. Please subscribe, share the video content. Do the most with it. We need to get those distinctions. This is teacher party. I hope there's no echo in this video because okay, never mind the shooting. I think somebody stole something from someone, and now to Vimba Vimba. Chronicles of being in our country. So I hope there's no echo in this video because I'm recording it in my sister's room and I'm hearing a little bit of echo. My daughter is playing loud music, not music, those things, cartoons in the sitting room. So I'm trying to be a polite mother. Okay, let's get into this. So I want us, remember I said we're doing the sales marathon. We need to master the sales. We need to master the sales, guys. Say after me, we need to master the sales in the statement of comprehensive income because that's why lots of method marks are hidden. So there's an option that I can do the whole income. Well, I'm old, so I'd still say it's income statement though. I have an option of doing this, the whole statement of comprehensive income. Guys, it won't really help because it will be too much to take in at once. So I just do line by line in all the work for grade 12. I just want to do line by line so that you can be masters of every line item that you could be possibly tested on. Now, let's get to business. This is not a question paper I developed, guys. I'm going to put this disclaimer over and over and over again. This is not a question paper I have developed. I did not develop this question paper. This is from the government. It was developed by the government. It was written June. I think it was written somewhere June last year. So I think it's the sub question paper. I think it was written somewhere May, June last year. I think it's a sub question paper. So this is a government question paper. I did not develop it. I'm just using it to prepare you for your final exams and your prelims. Guys, we're doing the sales. Now, I always say, know your client. Know your client. Know your client. Let me rename this. IEP November 21. Move a copy. The accounting in me is always alive. The accountant in me is always alive. So this one, let's just name it May 21. This is NSC. So the first thing I always say, guys, you must know, it's your client. Know your client. I always say, know your client. So your client is paper limited and know your financial year end. It's critical. So, but I think in your answer sheet, the given answer sheet, ladies and gentlemen, you will be given the name and there, but I just like emphasizing it. Awesome. Now, we need to calculate the sales. What we had before, let's delete what we had before. I'm not going to remove this formula for calculating net sales, guys. It's critical. I'm not going to move it at all. It's critical so that you remember what to do all the time. Okay, so there I put in the XXX like gear likes. Okay, guys, now let's get down to business. Paper, they want us to complete the statement of comprehensive income. Okay, now they've given you sales, question mark. Remember, guys, I said accounting is heavily integrated with mathematics. So you have to put on your solve for X hat forever. Okay. Sales, they didn't give us. Cool. Cost of sales. However, guys, they didn't give us. Okay. Now they say the markup achieved is 160 on cost. So now we need to find out what was the cost then if the markup on cost is 160. So this 160 is the gross profit. So now we need to find out what is the cost, the actual cost. So guys, you know by now, if we don't know, X will help us find the way. So it's solve for X. Now, X equals to 14 million divided by 1.60, which is, I think it's 160 divided by 100. It will give you 1.60. Let's try it, which is the percentage. The markup, there we go. So it's the markup 160 divided by 100. Ne? Let's do the calculation. It's 9.3. So this is the cost. This is the cost. Let me reiterate, guys. Gross profit, maybe to make this sound, what is the formula for gross profit? It's sales less cost of sales, then you get gross profit. Okay, sales less cost of sales equals to what? Gross profit. Ne? So your sales, they include the markup, ne? Which is 160. So which means your sales is 100%. So which means, do this, which means your sales are equal to 100% cost plus 160% markup. So your sales, this figure here is 260. Ne? So this cost is 100%. This cost. This gross profit is 160. Now, some of you will say, no, ma'am, it can't be. Remember, I said your sales price is the amount it cost us to acquire the item, which is 100% cost, plus the profit upon acquisition, which is 160 profit markup on cost, on this 100% cost. So your sales is 260 in essence of the price. Now the gross profit is the profit we made on selling this at 100%, which is 260 minus 100 is 160. Now we need to work out what was the cost. What was the 100% of this 160? Now this is where we divide by 160. I hope, guys, it makes sense. This is a very nice example. So now this X is your cost of sales. It is the cost. How would you figure this out? Obviously, by dividing with the gross profit. But the easiest logic you can have, your gross profit, which is 14 million, cannot be higher than the sales. So definitely 9 million is less than gross profit. So it is not your sales amount. It is the 100%, which is the cost of sales. So we write here sales. Guys, remember, in Matric, your method marks are everything in Matric. Method marks are everything. So show the method you used, because that's where you're going to earn marks. If you just write in J, yo, guys, these people are strict. Minus 9301. Okay. Now you are given the gross profit. The gross profit is already given to you. It's 14 million. Ne? So your sales, you can work them out in multiple ways. You can use the X method. This is calc 1. This is calc 2. You can have, now we're multiplying. Oh, guys, why are you not correcting me? Why are you not correcting me? Aha. 24, 182, 600. Let's see. Yippee! That's the first method. Or the third method we can use to calculate the sales is X we have the cost of sales, then we add the gross profit. Asike ekudeni bathandwa inkosi sibone ukuthi it's working now. 9301. Yes, guys, did you see that? So there are many ways of killing a cat. I'm drowning it in a bowl full of milk. Guys. I hope you can do this very, very quick, within a minute. Yeah, I said within a minute. I didn't take a minute, guys, because I was explaining. Otherwise, if I was writing an exam, I'd have taken half a minute. Yes. Don't say yeah, I can hear you. Don't say yo, man. I can hear you. Amount guys were supposed to be here. Hey, your man is aging by the day. It's all these calculations. Okay, guys, subscribe, share with your friends. Please, let's get the distinctions. Goodbye.